Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Canva Pro or you're part of a Canva team, knowing exactly when your subscription will expire is super important, especially if you want to avoid losing access to your premium features or getting surprise charges. So in this full guide, I'll show you step by step how to check your Canva Pro or team plan's expiration date quickly and accurately right inside your Canva account. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Log into your account. Make sure you're using the same email that's linked to your Canva Pro or team plan. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your Canva dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your settings option. Click on it. This will take you straight to your account settings. Go to Billing and Teams. Now that you're on the settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click on Billing and Teams. This section is where Canva keeps all your important subscription and payment information, whether you're on a personal Canva Pro plan or part of a shared Canva team. Here, you can see details like your current plan, payment method, and billing history. Check your subscription details. Scroll down a little until you find the plan summary or subscription overview section. Here, Canva shows your next billing date, payment cycle, and most importantly, your subscription expiration date. This tells you exactly when your Canva Pro or team access will end unless it's renewed automatically. If you're on a trial, it will also show you the trial end date, so you can decide whether to upgrade, renew, or cancel before being charged. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check when your Canva Pro or Canva team plan will expire. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future Canva tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we keep your creative workflow smooth and stress-free.